All right, so what are you going to do today? Today, you need to complete the assignment that's posted for today on Teams. And in this assignment, I'm not going to sing the rest of it. I need to protect the voice. All right, number one, you're going to brainstorm and decide on your project. Número dos, you're going to decide, am I going to work with some other people or am I going to work by myself? And make sure that you confirm with your parents your idea for your project and the group you're working with. Número tres, you are going to create a plan for how you're going to complete your project. And número cuatro, you're going to sign up to meet with Ms. Antunes using the website Calendly. Let's go through each of these steps together.